Good morning, class. Welcome to my lesson. First of all, let me thank you for listening to my presentation. To get started, I have some questions for you. Number 1. Can you tell me some kinds of sport you like? Okay, there are many sports as you can see on the screen. They are watched or played by many people all over the world. For example, tennis, football, basketball, swimming, and so on. So in your opinion, which is called the king sport? The answer is football, with interesting football match, skillful players, fantastic goals, and many fans all over the world. So, do you know any popular football events in the world? I will show you some. Copa America is the oldest continental football competition in the history of this sport and is the most prestigious football event in America. The next one, the UEFA European Championship, or can simply be called the Euro, is the primary football competition between the senior men's national teams of the Union of European Football Association's member countries. How about this one? It's the AFC Asian Cup, which is held in Asia. It's the second oldest continental football championship in the world, just after Copa America. And the last one, the World Cup, which is the largest international football tournament in the world. So today we will learn unit number 14, the World Cup, with the reading lesson to gain more knowledge about this famous football tournament. Now, I have 5 questions for you to answer without reading your reading test in the book. Question number 1. How often is the World Cup held? The answer is D. It's held every 4 years. Number 2. Who held the 2002 World Cup? I have a clue for you. Okay, look at these 2 countries. Who are they? One is Japan and one is South Korea. They held the 2002 FIFA World Cup Korea Japan. So the answers for question number 2 is D, both A and B, which means both Japan and South Korea. Number 3. Which team became the champion in the 2002 World Cup? We have a vocabulary. Champion is a person, team, and so on that has won a competition, especially in a sport. And a word family for you, championship. So the answers for question number 3 is Brazil. Brazil won the football World Cup competition in 2002. And I want to introduce a very famous football player in Brazil team. He's Ronaldo. Ronaldo, who is a very talented and famous football player who scored 8 goals to win the Golden Boot Award as the top scorer while leading Brazil its 5th World Championship. Okay, number 4. Which team was the runner-up? The word runner-up is a person or team that finishes second in a race or competition. So look at this picture. We have 2 teams competing in the football match. This one is Ronaldo of the Brazil team. So who is this team in the white t-shirt and black shorts? They are Germany. So Germany was the runner-up of the 2002 World Cup. Number 5. Which Asian team was qualified for the semi-final? Final is the last of a series of games or competitions in which the winner is decided. For example, Brazil won the 2002 World Cup final. And we have finalist is a person who takes part in the final of a game or competition. And semi-final. This team was the only Asian team who was qualified for the semi-final. They are South Korea. Okay, now I will give you some more vocabulary items that you will find in your reading test. Victory. Victory is a success in a game, an election, a war, and so on. I have a collocation for you. Victory over or against somebody or something. For example, Uruguay gained a victory over Argentina in the football match. Next one. Elimination game is a game to defeat a team so that they no longer take part in a competition. Jointly means involving 2 or more people or groups. Compete is to try to be more successful or better than someone else who is trying to do the same as you. And to work family for you. Competition, which is a noun, and competitive is an adjective. The club. Look at the picture. The club means the word. Next. Tournament. Okay. This is the tournament. It's a competition which players compete against each other in a series of games until there is a winner. Host nation is a country that provides the necessary space, facilities, and so on for a special event. Trophy is a prize for winning a competition, as you can see on the screen. Here, these are trophies. Okay, now look at the vocabulary items again and repeat after me. Champion, championship, runner-up, final, finalist, semi-final, victory, elimination game, jointly, compete, competition, competitive, the club, tournament, host nation, trophy. Okay, you should repeat your pronunciation at home again. Thank you for your listening. That's all for the lesson today. Goodbye.